You all are most welcome in our YouTube channel Sawal Bawal. Our question is, if square root of 20y upon x is equal to square root of x plus y plus square root of x minus y and square root of 16x upon 5y is equal to square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y, then we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Before I start to solve this question, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You can follow us on Telegram, on WhatsApp and on Twitter, which is now known as X. If you have any query regarding any question or you have any other question, then you can mail us at sawalbawal@gmail.com. Now let us solve this question. Before solving this question, we should be aware about two things, that square root of a into square root of b can be written as square root of a into b, and another identity which will be used is a minus b into a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. We will use these two concepts to solve this question. Our first equation is square root of 20y upon x is equal to square root of x plus y plus square root of x minus y. This is our first equation. Our second equation is 16x upon 5y is equal to square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y. If you will add these both equations, then it will be very tedious for us to solve this question. So we will follow another method, that we will multiply equation 1 and 2. Multiplying 1 and 2, we will have a square root of 20y upon x into square root of 16x upon 5y is equal to square root of x plus y plus square root of x minus y whole bracket into square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y. Now assume this term as a and this term as b, then this will be as a plus b and a minus b. Then we can write it as a square minus b square, that is square root of x plus y square minus square root of x minus y whole square. And here we will use the concept square root of a into square root of b can be written as square root of a into b. Therefore, we can write it as 20y upon x into 16x upon 5y. This x will be cancelled out with this x and y will cancel out with this y. And 20 will be cancelled out by 5 with the 4 times, then this will equal to 4 into 16 and this will be equal to x plus y, since the square of square root of x plus y will be x plus y and this will be equal to x minus y. Further solving it, we will have 16 to 4 will be equal to 64 square root is equal to x plus y minus x plus y. Then minus x will be cancelled out with this plus x, and square root of 64 will be equal to 8 and this will be y plus y will be equal to 2y. Therefore, the value of y will be equal to 4. Now putting the value of this y in second equation, what is our second equation? That is 16x upon 5y square root is equal to square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y. Now we will put the value of y in this equation to find the value of x. 16x divided by 5 into 4 square root is equal to square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x minus 4. Further, this can be written as, this will be equal to 4x. This can be written as 4x upon 5 is equal to square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x minus 4. Squaring both sides. We know that the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. With the help of this formula, we will solve this term. Then this will be equal to square of square root x plus 4 plus square of square root of x minus 4 minus 2 into square root of x plus 4 into square root of x minus 4. And this side, this will be equal to square root will cancel out with this square, and this will be equal to 4x upon 5. Now further this can be solved as 4x upon 5 is equal to x plus 4 plus x minus 4 minus 2. Since it is the root under a, square root of a and square root of b, this can be written as square root of x plus 4 into x minus 4. Now further we can write it as, since this 4 plus 4 will cancel out with minus 4, we can write it as 2x minus 2 into square root of, since it is the a plus b and a minus b format, this can be written as x square minus 4 square, and this will equal to 4x minus 5. Now further we can write it as 2 into square root of x square minus 4 square is equal to 2x minus, sorry, this is not x, 4x upon 5. Taking LCM, we will have 5 and this will equal to 10x minus 4x, and this is equal to 2 square root of x square minus 4 square. Now squaring both sides, before squaring we should solve this. 6x by 5 and this is equal to 2 square root of x square minus 4 square. Now squaring both sides, we will have 4 and square of this square root will be cancel out, and this will equal to x square minus 4 square, and this is equal to 36x square upon 25. Now we can write it as cross multiplying 25 and multiplying it with the 4. This will equal to 25 into 4, x square minus square of 4 will be 16, and this is equal to 36x square. After solving it, this will be 100x square minus, this will be equal to 1600 is equal to 36x square. Now as we solve it, then this will be equal to 64x square is equal to 1600. Now x square can be written as 1600 divided by 64, cancelling it with the 8, this will be 8 and this will be equal to 200, and further if you will cancel it, then this will be equal to 25. X square is equal to 25 and x is equal to plus minus 5. Then there is a two value of x, one is plus 5 and another is minus 5, but our equation is 16x upon 5y square root is equal to square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y, and the value of y is 4. If we will put the value minus 5 and 4, then the square root of minus 5 and minus 4 will be undefined, since the negative number will come under square root and will undefined. Hence we will ignore this solution, and our solution for x and y will be 5 and for y it will be 4. Therefore, with the help of this solution, we can find the value of x square plus y square. Now putting the value of x square, this will be equal to 25 plus 16, and this is equal to 41. Hence our required solution is x square plus y square is equal to 41. This is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to support us, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks once again.